Welcome back to Legacy Contracts, and if this is your first time here, we're glad you found us. This channel exists for attorneys who sense that something beneath the surface of their firm isn't quite working, even if it's hard to name. Here, we look beyond surface-level efficiency and into the invisible systems shaping how your firm operates, serves clients, and sustains growth. Through practical insight and honest conversation, we help bring clarity to what's often overlooked, so you can lead with intention, not assumption. If you're interested in building a law firm that's not just functional, but thoughtfully designed, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Most law firms don't intentionally design their intake systems. They inherit them, and over time, those inherited systems quietly start making decisions on the firm's behalf. Intake usually begins with good intentions. Someone needs to collect information, open a matter, or respond to a potential client. Questions get added, forms get reused, software templates get adopted. Eventually, what started as a few practical steps becomes the system, without anyone ever stopping to ask why it looks the way it does. This is how intake systems form by default, not because firms don't care, but because no one pauses to design intake with intention. The questions being asked may not align with how your firm actually evaluates cases. The order of steps may not match how clients think or feel. And the process may reflect industry norms rather than your firm's goals. The challenge is that default systems don't fail loudly. They fail quietly, through delays, confusion, missed follow-ups, staff frustration, and clients who don't quite feel confident moving forward. Many attorneys sense something is off, but can't identify what it is. That's because the issue isn't effort. It's design. Intake isn't just administrative, it's operational intelligence. It's a client experience. It's the first place where your firm either establishes clarity or introduces friction. Every intake question sends a signal. Every step communicates what your firm values. And when those signals are unintentional, the system starts working against you. The most effective firms don't accept intake as just the way it's done. They examine it, they question it, and they design it to support how they actually practice law. Sometimes the most impactful operational changes begin by simply asking, why does our intake work this way at all? Clarity in intake often comes not from adding more steps, but from understanding which ones no longer serve the firm. We hope today's insight helped bring clarity to something that may have been operating quietly in the background of your firm. Progress doesn't always start with doing more, it often starts with seeing more clearly. Law firms aren't built overnight. They're shaped by the decisions you make once the invisible becomes visible. This is Legacy Contracts, and until next time, keep leading with clarity.